Hey guys, okay, so I just wanted to give a review on one of the guns that I got in today for, yeah. So let's get on with the review. So here it is. The artwork is really nice. The thing that and it's like, and the gun style is just so nice and accurate. And even when you shoot it like this, it actually cocks back, and look at this. It actually makes the gun sound, and all throughout, I never heard any gun ever do that. And then with the suppressor, they killed it with this one because literally, you just screw this on, right? Then it's like this was. I never thought there would be a gun this good. And a thing that I find really cool about this is that look, blue light. So like if I wanted to ever record in the dark or like act like I'm like a, and these are like one of those best Top Guns is that it's only for like $13 and it only comes with like free shipping like a couple of days. So yeah, this is my review on this gun and I would buy it. So if you like guns, pistols, any type of gun, this is the one you should get.